gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Myself Nitin Samant from gogoevan.com. In today's session, we're going to learn about why we give cycles to our children and what are its advantages. So let's get started. The benefits of bicycles are endless, as the country soon you will be exploring. If you are considering and taking up your bicycles for your kids and weighing it up against potential activities, then we are here to tell you that cycling is the best option. Bike riding is the skill that comes with the whole range of benefits. While most of us know that regular cycling contributes to the better physical health, there are plenty of other reasons why learning a bicycle are more important than ever. And how much does it benefit your child? Here are some handful of them. Cycling helps your child to develop their leg muscles and strengthen their bones. The continuous exercise will help your child to gain stamina and improve their developments. It also increases their coordinations and balance. Sometimes it's the most simple thing in life that are most rewarding. Learning to ride a bike is one of them. It benefits kids' mental health and learning. Research showed that students who ride bikes to school are more focused and ready to learn more as compared to others. Cycling not only benefits the kids, but it is also helpful for the nature. Teaching your child to ride a bike has long-term benefits for the environment. Using active transport like cycling instead of driving reduces carbon emissions. It reduces traffic congestions and eliminates parking problems. Less pollution and traffic mean our communities will become greener, healthier and less stressful places to live. Friends, that's it for today. We will be learning more things in our upcoming sessions. For more details and understanding, please visit our website www.gogoevan.com. Thank you friends.
gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider. gogoevan world class manufacturer और supplier. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में quality assurance, competitive price और advanced technology. gogoevan education system. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में knowledge, skills और ability accelerator. gogoevan research and development center. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर की शान और इन्वेंटर की जान. gogoevan incubation center. बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार. gogoevan ODM और ODM सप्लायर. ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी.
Go A1. Ride into the future.